Here we are going to see 5 physical quantities: mass, weight, volume, density and temperature. We know that mass and temperature are SI-based physical quantity. What is mass? Mass of a substance is amount of matter present in it. Mass of a substance is amount of matter present in it. ഒരു വസ്തുവിൽ അടങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്ന ദ്രവ്യത്തിൻ്റെ അളവാണ് മാസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. മാസ് ഓഫ് ആൻ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് റിമെയിൻസ് കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് അറ്റ് ഓൾ പ്ലേസസ്. മാസ് എപ്പോഴും എന്തായിരിക്കും? സ്ഥിരമായിരിക്കും. മാസ് ഈസ് ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഗ്രാവിറ്റി ആക്ടിങ് ഓൺ ഇറ്റ്. യൂണിറ്റ് ഓഫ് മാസ് ഈസ് കിലോഗ്രാം. Then next, what is weight? In common usage, mass often refers to as weight, but scientifically it is not correct. We know that mass is the amount of matter present in a substance, whereas weight is the force exerted by gravity on an object. So here another term is coming, that is gravity, gravitational force. Weight may vary from one place to another due to change in gravity. We know that acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface is 9.8 meter per second square. This value is different in different places because we know that the shape of Earth is not perfectly spherical. It's like ellipsoid shape, so the value also changes. That's why the weight of a substance vary from one place to another. Weight is equal to m into g. M is mass and g is acceleration due to gravity. The unit of weight is Newton or kilogram meter per second square. Next, volume. What is volume? Amount of space occupied by a substance is called volume. Amount of space occupied by a substance. Unit, SI unit, length cube, that is meter cube. And another familiar unit is there, that is liter. A liter is one of the metric unit of volume. It is not an SI unit. Okay, liter we commonly use. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, and 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. For measuring small volume, we use milliliter, centimeter cube or 1 decimeter cube. This unit used only for measuring small volume. We are going to see what is density. Amount of mass per unit volume is density. Okay. Density of substance tells us about how closely its particles are placed. That is important. How closely its particles are placed. That information will get from density, measurement of density. If density is more, it means particles are more closely packed. If density is more, it means particles are more closely packed. Density can be calculated with the equation mass by volume. That is mass by volume. That is unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Kilogram per meter cube. Next one is the temperature. There are 3 scales to measure temperature: Fahrenheit, degree Celsius and Kelvin. How we can define temperature? Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. Average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. ഒരു സബ്സ്റ്റൻസിൽ അടങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്ന പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസിൻ്റെ ശരാശരി ഗതികോർജ്ജത്തിൻ്റെ അളവിനെയാണ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. It is a measurement of how hot or cold an object is. It is a measurement of how hot or cold an object is. Next, you observe the column you can see equation for converting between Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Okay, you just note down it how we can convert degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius and degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So just note down that the formula. We can measure temperature with the help of thermometer. You can observe the picture. There's a thermometer and the differences in value of Kelvin scale, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. In degrees Celsius scale, 0 degrees Celsius, you can observe in Kelvin scale what is the value of Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. And you can see in 0 degrees Celsius, in Fahrenheit scale it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So we just observe the normal body temperature and boiling point of water. You can understand the differences.